Hello explorers, and welcome to another exciting video on Europe in Detail. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey to Georgia, a land of ancient traditions, breathtaking landscapes, and the birthplace of wine. We've gathered a delightful mix of 52 wonderful facts about this mesmerizing country just for you. Daviklot, let's get started. Number 1. Spanning around 69,700 square kilometers, Georgia is home to over 3.7 million people. With its majestic mountains, vibrant cities, and rich heritage, it's a country where legends come to life. Number 2. Dive into the flowers of Georgian cuisine. From the cheesy goodness of khachapuri to the hearty khinkali dumplings, it's no wonder Georgian culinary traditions are cherished worldwide. Number 3. The Georgian flag, adorned with its 5 crosses, is more than just an emblem. Each cross narrates tales of ancient valor, deep-rooted faith, and the unyielding spirit of the Georgian people. It's not merely a design, it's a testament to Georgia's enduring resilience, unity, and hope, standing strong through the annals of time. Number 4. Ever heard of Tbilisi? Georgia's capital isn't just a city. It's a vibrant blend of cultures, architectures, and histories, nestled by the banks of the Jvari River. Number 5. The Kachki Pillar, a limestone monolith near the town of Chitora, is a testament to Georgia's spiritual devotion. Atop this 40-meter-high pillar, a lone monk has lived for years, seeking solitude and communion with the divine. Number 6. Let's toast to Georgian wine. With a winemaking history spanning over 8,000 years, Georgia is often referred to as the cradle of wine. The traditional jvari winemaking method is even on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage list. Number 7. Did you know that the Nguri Damets is one of the world's tallest arch dams? It showcases Georgia's engineering prowess and stands as a symbol of the country's progress in harnessing natural resources. Number 8. Batumi, located on the Black Sea coast, is a fusion of modern architecture, botanical gardens, and vibrant nightlife, making it a must-visit destination. Number 9. Georgia's currency, the lari, features iconic figures from its history and culture, each telling a unique story of the nation's journey through time. Number 10. Georgia's education system is steeped in history. Tbilisi State University, founded in 1918, is the nation's oldest and remains a beacon of academic excellence. Number 11. The Biltmore Hotel in Tbilisi, with its blend of historic architecture and modern design, stands as a symbol of Georgia's embrace of the past and future. Number 12. Georgia's sulguni cheese is a culinary delight. Soft, stretchy, and brimming with flavor, it's a staple in Georgian feasts and pairs perfectly with a glass of local wine. Number 13. The Ananuri Fortress Complex isn't just a historic site, it's a symbol of Georgia's medieval glory, standing tall against the backdrop of the Zhinvali Reservoir. Number 14. Let's talk about supra, the traditional Georgian feast. It's not just a meal, it's a celebration of life, friendship, and the art of toasting, led by the tamada or toastmaster. Number 15. Dive into the world of Georgian polyphonic singing, a unique musical tradition that resonates with harmony, complexity, and the spirit of the Georgian people. Number 16. The Bridge of Peace in Tbilisi isn't just a pedestrian bridge, it's a modern architectural marvel, symbolizing Georgia's aspirations for peace and unity. Number 17. The Georgian language, with its unique script, isn't just a means of communication, it's a poetic melody that has echoed through the Caucasus for centuries. Number 18. Ever sipped on cha-cha? It's Georgia's fiery grape brandy, often homemade, and is an integral part of Georgian celebrations. But be warned, it packs a punch. Number 19. Explore the charm of Sighnaghi, often referred to as the City of Love. With its cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and city walls, it's a romantic escape into Georgia's wine region. Number 20. Georgia's economy is diverse, with agriculture playing a significant role. The country is renowned for its organic farming, producing some of the juiciest fruits and freshest vegetables you'll ever taste. Number 21. The Vardzia cave monastery isn't just a religious site, it's a labyrinthine wonder carved into the cliffs, showcasing Georgia's architectural ingenuity and spiritual devotion. Number 22. The Georgian game of Lelo Berti transcends sport. It's a historic blend of rugby and tradition, played with fervor and community spirit, especially in the region of Guria. Number 23. The Alaverdi Monastery isn't just one of the oldest in Georgia, it's also home to ancient winemaking traditions, where monks continue to produce wine using age-old techniques. Number 24. The Georgian candy cherchkela, often referred to as the Georgian Snickers, isn't just a treat, it's a string of nuts, dipped in thickened grape juice, symbolizing Georgia's love for natural sweets. Number 25. The Borjomi mineral water, sourced from volcanic springs, is renowned for its unique therapeutic properties, making it a popular choice among locals and visitors alike. Number 26. The Bagrati Cathedral in Kutaisi isn't just a religious monument, it's a symbol of Georgia's architectural grandeur and resilience, having been rebuilt after centuries of ruin. Number 27. The Alilo procession on Christmas Day is a heartwarming sight. Children and adults alike parade through streets, singing carols and collecting gifts for the needy, embodying the spirit of giving. Number 28. The Ushguli villages in Svaneti aren't just remote settlements. They're among the highest continuously inhabited places in Europe, with watchtowers and landscapes straight out of a fairy tale. Number 29. The Georgian alphabet with its 33 letters isn't just unique, it's a UNESCO-recognized treasure with 3 distinct scripts that have captured the nation's voice for centuries. Number 30. The Georgian National Ballet, founded by Iliko Shushishvili and Nino Ramashvili, have been a leading force in promoting Georgian dance and culture on the global stage. Number 31. The Black Sea coast of Georgia isn't just about beaches, it's a blend of subtropical landscapes, ancient ruins, and vibrant cities like Batumi and Poti. Number 32. The Prometheus Cave is more than just a geological wonder, it's a subterranean realm of stunning stalactites, stalagmites, and underground rivers, illuminating the depths of Georgia's natural beauty. Number 33. The Batumi Botanical Garden, located on the Black Sea coast, is a verdant paradise. Spanning 111 hectares, it's home to thousands of plant species from around the world, making it one of the largest and most diverse botanical gardens in the former Soviet Union. Number 34. The Caucasus Mountains aren't just a natural barrier between Europe and Asia, they're a hiker's paradise, offering breathtaking views, diverse ecosystems, and the legendary Mount Kazbek. Number 35. The Georgian wine route isn't just about vineyards, it's an immersive experience where ancient traditions, family-owned cellars, and the spirit of celebration comes alive. Number 36. The Georgian phrase "shkva kartuli" isn't just a term, it means pure Georgian, reflecting the nation's pride in its unique identity, language, and traditions. Number 37. The David Gareja Monastery complex, carved into the semi-desert, isn't just a marvel of rock-hewn architecture, it's a spiritual oasis, adorned with medieval frescoes and echoing tales of devotion. Number 38. The Gergeti Trinity Church, perched high in the mountains, isn't just a place of worship, it's a testament to Georgia's deep-rooted faith, set against the backdrop of the mighty Mount Kazbek. Number 39. Georgia's traditional attire, known as choka, isn't just a piece of clothing, it's a symbol of national pride and identity. Worn for over 1,000 years, its intricate designs and accompanying accessories tell tales of valor, honor, and tradition. Number 40. The Abano Tubani district in Tbilisi isn't just known for its sulfur baths. It's a historical area where legends say the city was founded thanks to the warm and therapeutic waters. Number 41. The Georgian dish lobio, a flavorful bean soup, isn't just a meal. It's a comforting dish that showcases the simplicity and richness of Georgian culinary traditions. Number 42. The Georgian art of cloisonné enamel, known as minankari, is a centuries-old tradition. This intricate craft, used primarily in jewelry and religious items, showcases the nation's artistic heritage and attention to detail. Number 43. The Svevtitskoveli Cathedral in Mtskheta isn't just an architectural marvel, it's a spiritual heart of Georgia, echoing tales of faith and history. Number 44. The Gori Forest, standing atop a hill, isn't just a medieval relic, it's a sentinel overlooking the city of Gori and bearing witness to Georgia's tumultuous history. Number 45. The Rabati Castle in uplistsikhe isn't just a fortress, it's a multicultural complex, reflecting Georgia's diverse history, with influences from different empires and religions. Number 46. The Georgian tradition of tamada, or toastmaster, isn't just about leading toasts, it's an honored role, guiding celebrations with eloquence, humor, and wisdom. Number 47. The narikala forest in Tbilisi isn't just a relic of the past, it's a vantage point offering panoramic views of the city's ever-evolving skyline. Number 48. The Tusheti region isn't just a remote area of Georgia, it's a land of untouched beauty, ancient towers, and a unique Tush culture that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Number 49. Discover the beauty of uplistsikhe, an ancient rock-hewn town. It's not just a historical site, it's a journey back in time, showcasing Georgia's early civilizations. Number 50. The Georgian term kipi isn't just a word, it means party or feast, reflecting the nation's love for celebrations, gatherings, and the joy of being together. Number 51. Georgian hospitality is legendary. The tradition of stumari or guest is sacred, and visitors are often treated with warmth, generosity, and an abundance of food and wine. Number 52. And last but certainly not least, the Georgian New Year's Eve celebration, known as bidoba, isn't just a festivity. It's believed that how one spends this day will set the tone for the entire year, making it a day filled with joy, kindness, and generosity. And there you have it, 52 wonderful facts about Georgia. If this whirlwind tour got your heart racing, give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Which one was your favorite fact? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest adventures on Europe in Detail. Madloba, thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.